Hello everyone, today in this video we'll talk about Qatar University and we'll also talk about the scholarships opportunities available in Qatar University and admission timeline, admission requirements. So stay with us. First of all, admission opens for graduate programs from 24th December to 29th February. You can apply online. All international students requested to adhere to dates listed in the table below so the university can take the necessary procedure in cooperation with official authorities. Okay, so these are the deadlines and activity. You can take a look here about spring 2024 and fall 2024. You can take a look here. Now we will take a look at admission requirements. So here you can take a look about. Please note that the procedure of selecting candidate is on a competitive basis. All the students who want to study in graduate studies programs at Qatar University are requested to prepare all the required documents to complete the admission procedure. And all the applicant must have valid Qatar ID in state of Qatar as follow. International students must complete online international student visa application and required documents during the same application period for admission to Qatar University. Now you can take a look about for PhD applicant, a master's degree or higher received with a cumulative CGPA of at least 3.0. A standard test, for example GRE and GMAT, are required for all PhD programs offered in English. Applicants who have completed a professional master's with GPA of 3.0 or higher must satisfy additional college or program. Similarly, these are the requirements for master's degree program. And general admission, you can take a look here. Transfer students, whatever, if you are transfer students, and you can take a look here about different requirements. Now we are going to take a look about the scholarships. Second, let's take a look here about required test scores as well. So these are the required test scores. You can take a look about the English proficiency. Applicant are required to demonstrate their English proficiency as part of admission process by satisfying either the following: earned a previous degree from institution of higher education. So either you need to upload the English proficiency certificate, which you can get from your previous institution, or TOEFL certificate or IELTS certificate. These are more requirements about the duration of that test. And now we will talk about you can also take a look about different requirements here: transcript requirements and admission form, application timeline, graduate program readmission, program requirements and required documents. You can take a look about these details as well. So here you can take a look that PhD in biological and environmental science, PhD in golf studies. So these are the program and they have different requirements. For example, for PhD in biological and environmental science, they are asking to have minimum of 6 IELTS, and 68 TOEFL. And you can also take a look about different requirements as well. Similarly, the Masters of Applied Statistics. So every program they have mentioned the PhD engineering in computer science. Okay, so You should have minimum of 3.0 GPA out of 4 and 6 IELTS or 68 TOEFL and passing interview and other application, online submit the application, and further requirements you can take a look. Okay, and now we'll go through scholarships. Here you can come to scholarships. Okay, so these are different scholarships available. You can take a look about these scholarships. Okay, for example, competitive scholarships. So these are some academic and talented scholarship, how to apply, what are the requirements. So they have mentioned all the details, and what is the monthly salary if you will acquire that scholarship. So these are all the details about scholarship. You can take a look to this scholarship. I will mention the link in the description. And now I can let you know that apply to Qatar University. Click here and then application procedure, complete the online application form. Here start my application and then receive letter of acknowledgement, application review, interview, submit official requirements, and receive admission decision. Okay, so these are all the requirements about submitting the application. If you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I wish you best of luck. Thank you so much. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then kindly guys subscribe to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.